Hey everyone, welcome back to Fork and Flavor. I'm Zara, and today, I'm going to show you how to cook the perfect steak. Whether you like it rare, medium rare, or well done, we'll get that juicy and flavorful steak just right. So, let's get started. The first step to cooking a perfect steak is to choose the right cut of meat. Look for steaks that are well marbled with fat, like ribeye, New York strip, or filet mignon. Marbling is the key to a tender and flavorful steak. Take the steak out of the refrigerator about 30 to 45 minutes before cooking to bring it to room temperature. This ensures even cooking throughout the steak. Now, it's time to season our steak. I like to keep it simple with just salt and freshly ground black pepper. Season both sides generously to enhance the natural flavors of the meat. While the steak is resting, let's preheat a cast iron skillet or a heavy-bottomed pan over medium-high heat. You want the pan to be nice and hot to get that beautiful sear on the steak. Once the pan is hot, add a drizzle of vegetable oil and a tablespoon of butter. The oil helps prevent the butter from burning, and the butter adds a delicious nutty flavor to the steak. Carefully place the steak into the hot pan. You should hear a sizzling sound, that's what we want. Let it sear for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side without moving it, so a beautiful crust can form. Now, this step is optional, but it really elevates the flavors. Tilt the pan slightly and use a spoon to baste the steak with the melted butter. This will add richness and depth to the taste. Use an instant read thermometer to check the internal temperature of the steak. For rare, aim for about 120 degrees Fahrenheit, 49 degrees Celsius, medium rare around 130 degrees Fahrenheit, 54 degrees Celsius, medium around 140 degrees Fahrenheit, 60 degrees Celsius, and well done around 160 degrees Fahrenheit, 71 degrees Celsius. Once your steak reaches your desired doneness, remove it from the pan and let it rest on a cutting board for about 5 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, giving you a tender and juicy steak. It's time to slice and serve our perfectly cooked steak. Cut against the grain for a tender bite. You can serve it with your favorite sides like mashed potatoes, roasted vegetables, or a fresh salad. There you have it, the perfect steak. I hope you enjoyed this recipe from Fork and Flavor. If you liked this video, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified of new recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!